Hey there, YouTubers. I'm just going to give you an overview of this Porta boat that I've got here. It's not the newest generation, but I got it secondhand off Kijiji, because normally these boats run for about a few $1,000s, I think, brand new, but I got mine for a lot less than that secondhand, around $500 actually, which is very cheap for these boats, and that's Canadian dollars as well. And so I was transporting it in my car. At one time I had a little hatchback. I was able to put it through the trunk and through the back seat and right up to the front window there, and it was pretty good for transporting. But now I've decided to use a truck, and I've got a Dodge Dakota that I'm just putting this aluminum boat here on that you see over to the side here. I'm actually just putting that right in the back of the truck, because it's taken me about 10 minutes to put together this Porta boat, and it's a kind of a pain in the neck, even though it's not, it's 10 minutes, it's not that bad, but still the aluminum boat's a lot faster, just pulling it in, pulling it out. And so I've been using it about a year now. I'm going to show you some damage that happened to the back of the boat. Basically the transom, it ripped. I know they have a new transom now on the newer generations of Porta boats, but it's still usable. Even though there's a big rip down the back, it's not letting any water in. So I'm just going to pick it up, I'm going to show it to you, and then I think I'm just going to give a little demonstration on how to take the boat apart, and maybe I'll do a demonstration of it in the water in another video, and maybe do a speed test with it compared to the aluminum boat. And so here I'm just going to pick the camera up, give you a look at the back of the transom on this thing. Came with these oars. I put this wooden thing was here already, and that really helps for putting, if you want to have a load you want to put there, or just for your feet as well. Okay, so there it is, there's the transom, and the whole way down where you see that duct tape, that's where it ripped, and it's just kind of flimsy. And like I said, it's not having any impact on the performance of the boat. It's not leaking any water, but still, I don't even know how to fix it. If you guys know how to fix it, please let me know in the comments below. But anyways, yeah, so here's the Porta boat. I think there's some details on it as well. You can see, I'm just gonna give you a look there. Hopefully you can see that. It says maximum 4 persons or 485 pounds, and it says 570 pounds, persons, motor, gear included. And this is the 12-foot boat, and it says this 12-foot boat will accommodate an engine weight not to exceed 54 pounds. But I've seen some people on YouTube who have used larger motors than this, 54 pounds, but so I've been using a 2.3 horse on it. It's a brand new Suzuki 2.3 horsepower. I've also been using this other Evinrude, I think it's a Evinrude 2. I don't know, it's that one over there just on the dock. It's a 1990s Evinrude. It's something like 2.5 horsepower or something, I can't remember right now. And it looks like somebody who has used this boat in the past has actually put 2 trolling motors. You can see marks on the transom there where people were maybe they had dual 2.5s or something. So yeah, so on this lake, this boat, it works most days, but not all days. And as you can see there, I'll just get a view of the lake, but it's a fairly big lake, and sometimes the waves just get too big for this boat. And that's also one of the reasons why I'm just switching to using the aluminum boat. And the aluminum boat will work in all weather conditions if you're an experienced boater. But this Porta boat, there's the odd day where it's just not possible to use it. Yeah, so I'll probably just put the camera down. I'll give you a quick example of how to take it apart, because putting it up is just the exact opposite. So if you're considering one of these boats, maybe you want to just get an idea of how long it takes or how difficult it is. You may not be able to hear me, it may be a little bit windy, so it may not have any commentary as I take it apart. Yeah, so they got markings here. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. They say I just put a strap around the end there just to fold it over when I'm transporting it. And so yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you are interested in these types of videos. And appreciate your watching. Thanks.